What's good? It's your boy G Kid back at it with another one. What I got popping on for you today is, let me get in the shade a little bit. What I got popping on for you today is what I'm gonna do. Somebody messaged me in Instagram. They sent the DMs. If you're not on the Instagram channel yet, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Instagram right there. So go ahead, follow me on Instagram. But what someone messaged me is they was like, yo, you started up the C7, but we ain't hear you rev it, fam. I'm like, yo, I got you. I didn't want to rev it. It was too cold. That was the first starter of the season for the car. So now what I'm going to do, start it up. I'm going to let it rev. I'm going to let you listen to it. I hope y'all ready for this because it's about to be a good year. I hope you guys are looking forward to this year because it's going to be a big one. But first thing I got to do, I got to move this whip out the way, pull the car up, then start it up, then let you guys hear it, the exhaust. I hope you guys enjoy this video because not a lot of people out there got C7s, and the people that do got C7s, they ain't nobody ever doing nothing cool with them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video because I'm doing it all for you guys. I love you guys. Anyways, I ain't trying to get all Philly with you guys. Let's get it started up. Let's move the whip. Let's get it done. Look at how clean the Infinity is looking though. That boy clean. That boy looking fresh. Like that. Yo, straight up, nobody can tell me this boy's not clean. Boy, I finally got it outside for you guys, man. I told you guys I'm not disappointing. Peep the whip though. Ooh-wee. Both this and the Mustang got to get a detail done soon. But anyways, peep this out. I'm thinking about getting the wheels ceramic coated on the Mustang because I'm going to get some new wheels for that. But peep this though. Man, look at that. That boy looking clean, bro. That boy clean. Nah, I'm not trying to bite Zosh though. There we go, hopping in the whip. Still gotta go get some air in the tire. It's all good though. But yeah, this is the whip. Let's go ahead and get you guys some revs in here. Let you hear the whip. Let's get that done because I know you guys have been dying to hear the whip because I've been getting messages. I know the comments on the last video when I did the cold start, been getting a lot of good reviews, a lot of views, a lot of you guys are liking it. So anyways, let's just go ahead, let you hear the revs. I'm gonna let this warm up first, then I'm gonna rev it up for you guys. Yo, shout out to NF. Yo, that song is so fire, son. But anyways, the car almost warmed up. Let's get you some revs in here. Let's get it popping. Let's do this. Shout out to that heads up display. That was a quick preview, yo. I hope you guys are looking forward to what's about to go down on the channel because it's about to get so lit on this channel. Like, bro, this season is about to be crazy. Like, I hope you guys are ready. Can't wait to see you guys, your whips. If you got any whips or you got a YouTube channel, make sure to put it down below so I can go ahead and holler at that because I love to see what you guys have, what you guys are popping with. I'm going to let it warm up a little bit more, give you guys a couple more revs in there, park this baby until all the snow is gone, the salt is gone, and then we can get this channel really popping. So if you ain't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to put that plug in there real quick. But I got another plug coming at the end of this video. Anyways, yo, let me show you my favorite feature about the C7s though. If it isn't this button right here where you can change the modes, it's probably how this is all digital. Like this, the temperature, and then over here, when you turn it up, you see it move along like that. That's so dope. And then that's the other passenger seat over there. They can change their temperatures like this. And they got heated and cooled seats on that side as well. So dope. favorite feature about a C7. All right, let's get these last revs in here. Let's get it popping. Yo, it's getting sunny out here. It's a good day. Man, I can't wait for spring to hit. Woo! I cannot wait to take these monsters back out. Anyways, let's get it done. So could you hear the difference between touring mode and track mode? Boy, that thing opened up so quick, revs so much faster, thing just sounds mint. Anyways, so much better in track mode compared to touring mode. I hope you guys love the way that sounds because I can't wait to bring this content to you this summer. Woo-wee! Anyways, it's your boy G-Kid from Live Fast signing out again. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.